Well, it's true that when it's a rainy day, you have no choice but to stay indoors. Watch movies, play board games, order food, or read a book. The worst thing is you already planned all the itinerary and you have arrived on your destination, then it suddenly rained.
Lipa City is located in the heart of the province, approximately 2 to 3 hours away from Manila. Dito, maraming pwedeng gawin. Pwede ka magmundok, mag-tour around its city, mag-workout, mag-swimming, visit their churches.
Lipa City is known as the Little Rome of the Philippines. You can visit Sebastian Cathedral.
And pwede ka din naman magkantahan sa gabi. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang mag-food trip.
Experience food trip Malepunyo way. Mapa-outdoors tayo or indoors, there's a lot of things to do here in Lipa.
This travel vlog is a combination of our last year tour and present. Last year, 2016, inakyat namin yung Mount Manabu. And this time, we decided to explore Mount Malepunyo as well. So itong dalawang bundok na to, isa sila dun sa peaks ng Malabrigo Range. Actually, meron 3 peak yung Malabrigo Range. Yung dalawa na dun included yung Mount Manabu and the Mount Malepunyo, and the other one is the Susong Dalaga.
Hindawa summit ng Susong Dalaga.
Yun. Kasi nakambok.
Akyat muna tayo sa Mount Manabu.
Registration fee is 20 pesos.
Mount Manabu or Manabu Peak is an abbreviation of mataas na bundok. Though it's not even that high in comparison to Mount Malepunyo, it is situated in Barangay Santa Cruz. Mount Manabu, towering 760 masal, is a stress-free and beginner-friendly mountain because the trails are easy with almost no assault. In a normal pacing, you can reach the summit within 2 hours. It is a perfect for day hike. The highest point is marked with white cross and the green grass covers the summit. There are 2 separate trails. For us, we use the Grotto Trail on our way up and the traditional trail on our way down. But you can use either way. There is a hut midway through the traditional trail where Tatay Tino resides. You can rest there and enjoy the bottomless alamid coffee. Alamid, or the Asian palm civet, or better known as the Philippine civet cat, searches and eats the sweet coffee beans, and coffee beans themselves are harvested from their feces. But of course, they undergo some cleaning process, and the beans are powdered to look just like your usual coffee. You can buy them from Tatay Tino for a souvenir.
Now, let's explore the challenging trails of Mount Malepunyo. Mount Malepunyo is the highest peak among the Malabrigo Range, rising to 1,005 meters above sea level. The jump-off point is at Barangay Talisay, Lipa City. It requires 3 to 5 hours to reach the summit. During our time, pagdating namin sa Lipa City, sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, we decided na wag na lang muna umakyat since unsafe. So, it was a weekend trip from November 4 to 5, 2017. We chose the date kasi chinek namin yung weather sa internet na it is going to be a sunny day. But we were wrong, rather the internet. The information from the internet was wrong.
Who planned this all? You, right?
Nagkape muna kami sa Purple Beetle Cafe para mapag-usapan namin kung ano yung mga magiging plano namin.
When we were just having our coffee, Then the sun started to shine. Then, Viola! It's adventure time!
Tinawagan na namin yung guide na nakita lang namin sa mga ibang vlogs.
Luckily, he's also a tricycle driver na pwede niya na kaming sunduin and then siya na rin yung guide namin. O diba, package na si Kuya Mario. Then we started the trek. Since umulan that morning, sobrang putik ng trails. May road doon na hindi na pwede yung trike, kaya from there, naglakad na kami.
After an hour, we have reached the river. Sobrang challenging ng trails kasi at the same time, madulas siya.
Then, we continued our trek.
Wala naman kung sino mas marami na dulas. Ako isa pala.
Along the trails, meron silang tinatawag na plant called Lipa plant.
Matapos ang 2 oras at 30 minutes pag-akyat, nakakita kami ng dahon ng lipa.
Na kapag nahawakan mo daw, mangangati ka for ilang days. So, better na iwasan natin ito. Dapat, suggest lang namin magsuot kayo ng proper hiking clothes para maiwasan yung mga ganitong incident.
Tara na! Let's go!
There is also a trail called Mt. Kasi daw marami ang mga mountaineers ang napapamura sa trail na ito.
Anong masasabi mo sa ating bundok na
Madali lang.
In this challenging trail wherein you literally need to crawl and use the root branches for support.
Hindi siya nadulas. Mga kaibigan, hindi po siya nadulas. Since we started late, unfortunately, we just reached peak 1 and 2 kasi we have to get down before it gets dark.
After 6 hours, we managed to get back on the jump-off point. Ang exciting sa bundok na ito ay kailangan mo mag-cross sa mga river, and if you intend na umiwas, pagsisisihan mo ito.
Thank you Mount Malepunyo for letting us experience your challenging trail. Next time, sana makarating din kami doon sa Peak 3. Maganda din siguro ma-experience mag-traverse. Sabi kasi ni Kuya Mario, yung guide namin, it will take 12 hours mag-traverse, and for some mountaineer out there, try to conquer it and share with us your experience para lahat tayo masaya.
Okay, let's go back to Lipa City. If you are in Lipa, don't forget to try the best version of Lomi, Batangas. Of course, you are hungry after that long hike. Here are the best places for you to try Lomi, Batangas. First, Lipa's Sizzling Lomi House. So, what makes the Sizzling Lomi House special? Well, the fact that they serve Lomi on a sizzling platter and not in a conventional bowl. So imagine all that Lomi goodness, hot and steamy for a longer time than usual. You want some more? Try Liam's Lomi House for an alternative. It only costs 50 pesos. We ordered pansit and gotong Batangas. And also, if you are looking for some artsy cafe, don't forget to visit this bohemian vintage themed coffee shop, the Purple Beetle. Let's hop on and enjoy the ride. Located at Ayala Highway, Lipa City. Inside the cafe, it has a nice and artsy ambience. The most fascinating part is the purple Volkswagen Beetle that is converted into a cafe counter. They offer different kinds of food and drinks. And while waiting, you can play boards or just simply admire the Beetle toy cars on display.
We spent the night at the Hotel La Corona de Lipa. For inquiries, you can visit their website at www.hotellacoronalipa.com.
since we were on a semestral break, we decided that on the second day, we will be going to the beach. So, let's go to Punta Malabrigo Beach Resort located at Lobo, Batangas. Actually, itong trip na to was supposed to be a climb at Mount Banoy and mag-stay kami sa Punta Malabrigo Beach Resort. So, lahat ng travel ideas na to, impromptu lang. So, hindi naman namin sinasuggest na dapat lahat ng bagay biglaan. Ginawa namin tong video na to para at least maiwasan yung mga ganitong tsaka mapagplanuhan yung maigi.
From Lipa City to Lobo, Batangas, it took us 3 hours. Spent the day at the beach resort until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The most enjoyable part here was the long journey. You will have to pass through the winding slopes of Lobo. It was our first time to visit Lobo, Batangas as well. When you decide to visit Batangas, normally you would go to beaches of Laia, Anilao, San Juan, or Calatagan. It wasn't quite famous yet. Punta Malabrigo Beach is not your usual type of beach. It's different from what you've imagined when you heard the word beach. It has no white sand at all, but rather a stony shore. On our way back, we were thinking what we should do for the night. Here it goes. Mountain, check. Beach, check. It's time to celebrate this successful and safe adventure.
Talking loud, baby, so far out the back. Go sound, the ripples go round.
Of course, we had to say goodbyes. Yun yung pinakamahirap talaga sa lahat pag yung aalis ka na. Anyway, thank you Lipa City as well as Lobo, Batangas for letting us unwind and refresh our minds. Nakatulong talaga sa stressful days natin to. So, happy traveling everyone!
Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for our next video. Adios!